बंगाल चुनाव में दूसरे चरण का मतदान आज हो चुका है और आपको बता दें कि 30 विधानसभा की सीटों पर आज मतदान हुए हैं और इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं पुरसुरा विधानसभा में और हमारे साथ टीएमसी के कैंडिडेट है दिलीप यादव। क्या लग रहा है दादा इस बार बंगाल में टीएमसी या बीजेपी?
না আমাদের সরকার হবে। দেখুন আপনাদের একটা কথা বলি, ভারতবর্ষে কোনো এমন সরকার নেই যে সরকার মানুষের জন্য তো কাজ করেছে। মানুষের জন্য কেউ অন্যরা অনেক মিথ্যে কথা বলতে পারে, কিন্তু মানুষের জন্য কাজ করেছে তার নাম হচ্ছে মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। তার দল তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের সরকার হবে। বিজেপি কিছু গুন্ডামি, বিশৃঙ্খলা, নিউসেন্স ক্রিয়েট করবে, এগুলো করবে, বাট people will give a clear mandate to तृणमूल कांग्रेस।
लेकिन बीजेपी कह रही है दादा इस बार की 200 प्लस सीटें बीजेपी लाएगी और बंगाल में सरकार बनाएगी। पिछली बार मात्र 3 सीटें आई थी। इतना आत्मविश्वास के साथ बीजेपी कह रही है कहीं टीएमसी पर भारी ना पड़ जाए।
না তাহলে বিজেপিকে ভোট করতে হবে না, তাহলে এস্ট্রোলজি করতে হবে। 200 সিটে জিতে যাব, ভোট কিন্তু এস্ট্রোলজি নয়। ভোট হচ্ছে মানুষকে সার্ভিস দেওয়া, মানুষের পাশে থাকা, কর্মীদের কনফিডেন্স নিয়ে ভোট করা, এগুলো অনেকগুলো ফ্যাক্টর। নো ফ্যাক্টর ইজ ইন ফেভার অফ বিজেপি। অনলি ফ্যাক্টর ইন ফেভার অফ বিজেপি ইজ মানি, ইসিআই অ্যান্ড দেয়ার বড় বড় কথা।
लेकिन दीदी को रोकने के लिए तमाम सेंट्रल के जो नेता है आला कमान के वो बंगाल पहुंच चुके हैं और दीदी एकमात्र अकेली पड़ रही है। तमाम बीजेपी के बड़े नेता दीदी के सामने, कैसे दीदी मुकाबला कर पाएगी इनका? पब्लिक साथ है दीदी के।
फ्रॉम 1984 everyone should remember once, the only leader in our country whose popularity from 1984 to 2021 is continuously at the highest level in our country. Other leaders who are coming here in this battle on behalf of BJP, no one have such popularity in the people for 2 years, 5 years, 6 years, or more or less that. So no one can fight against our Supremo, our Honorable Chief Minister, our leader. Our leader is in the heart of the people of West Bengal.
The slogan of Khela Hobe by TMC is tackled by the Parivartan Hobe slogan of BJP. How TMC react now?
Now these slogans are become sometimes popular in different elections, in different slogans. But one thing is very clear, that our leader has given benefits directly to every citizen of the country, our state, in respect of food, shelter, health, and also different pension schemes. People have never think in any state, not in our state, the government can provide ration free of cost. A government can provide a medical insurance card of 5 lakh rupees to every citizen of the state. Sometimes you people or some media or some BJP leaders told about Pradhan Kishan Nidhi, Ayushman Bharat and others. Ayushman Bharat can only include 38% people of the country. But Sastro Sathi is for every citizen of the state. Sometimes this PDS system where people get ration, our Chief Minister has planned that I will give ration at 2 rupees per kg for some time to some people. number was not very big. But still some people are not getting at that rate. Our Honorable Chief Minister, our leader,
You'll talk about the ration in Bengal, but BJP said the ration is stolen by the Mamata government in West Bengal in the period of lockdown. So it will be a big factor in upcoming election.
BJP has no idea. Their normal leader was on the road as Narendra Modi was in lock and key within background of the scene. All the leaders of BJP was lock and key as they are afraid of Corona. Only who fight Corona, who she was with the health workers, police workers, frontline warriors, who was on road, that name is Mamata Bandyopadhyay, and also the persons, the political party who was on every booth to provide all sorts of support was the political worker of the Trinamool Congress. As I am president of this district, I can say you, I can share you for the viewers that no one day when we have not arrived at anyone's doorstep to provide such type of relief to everyone during Corona. Modi was just clapping hands, just switch on and switch off the lights, nothing else. Our Supremo was providing in different medical assistance which needed, encouraging the frontline warriors, and also instructed our party to go to the doorsteps of the people, do the needful, what is needed during this pandemic.
You point out all the good works of Mamata Banerjee government, but why the number of TMC politicians has gone to the BJP?
Under some scanning, party had decided that they will not give them ticket in the next election. In some scanner, it was decided. That was leaked to them. Otherwise, they have assumed that we are not going to get ticket during election. So they have left.
So, Dada, what will be the
no,
agendas of your constituency in the upcoming election?
My constituency, we have lost this constituency by 26,000 in last parliament election. But with the blessing of the people of Pursura, we will win all the 18 seats in our district.
And what will be the last message to our viewers and your audience and your public?
Vote for Trinamool Congress, who is serving the people of this state from last 10 years. No any other government has given all such type of different projects for the benefits of the people, which our Chief Minister has given benefits to every doorsteps. Government reaches to the doorsteps of the people, which was one slogan by the CPMs. But that was not done by the CPM. That slogan was that we will provide 15 lakhs rupees from black money, slogan of Modi. No one was given 1 rupee. Our Chief Minister has given 1,000 rupees to every senior citizens and other reliefs also. So, we hope people will cast their vote in favor of Trinamool Congress and get a good governance, get a good Chief Minister, and best Chief Minister of our country, our Mamata Bandyopadhyay, will again sworn third time in West Bengal.
थैंक यू वेरी मच दादा। तो ये आप सुन रहे थे दिलीप यादव, जो कि पुरसुरा विधानसभा से टीएमसी के कैंडिडेट है, और इन्होंने दावा किया है कि फिर से ममता बनर्जी तीसरी बार बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री पद की शपथ लेगी। 2 मई को जो नतीजे आएंगे वो तृणमूल कांग्रेस के फेवर में आएंगे और फिर से 200 से ज़्यादा सीटें तृणमूल कांग्रेस लाएगी और बंगाल में इनकी सरकार बनेगी। अब देखना है कि 2 मई में किसकी सरकार बंगाल में बनती है। तब तक के लिए आप देखते रहे न्यूज़ भारतवर्ष।